Hi, I'm Ty Spainhour. Welcome to IPPE 2023. Come visit us at Booth BC9449. We have several things on display today to talk about. One of our big ones is Pack Titan Pro belting. We have a challenge, 10 seconds or less. If you can disassemble the belt, you get entered for a chance for a char grill egg. So come by and try this challenge. We also have Pack Titan Pro on display on a JBT brother that you can look at in place.
Hi, my name is Chris Schulte and welcome to IPPE 2023. Please come to visit us in our booth at BC9449 to learn more about our new products, which include the Sealmaster SS Gold Series, which is a 100% stainless steel ball bearing series that's also IP69K certified. So please come visit us to learn more.
Hi, my name is Barry Voschel with Regal Rexnord. Today we're really excited about a lot of the products we have here, including our Active Drive, which is a low tension system designed to carry heavy products in very unfavorable conditions. Come visit us at BC9449 and we'll be happy to tell you about this product and many others. Thank you.